Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with Glossybox.
And we're doing back-to-back videos.
Yes, we have a few that we received and we just haven't filmed yet, but
it's super warm. And I kept wearing makeup for us to film, and then we were like busy with work and stuff, and so we didn't get to film
these
yet.
cards,
so. Those cards she hates.
Woo. Okay. I'm just, whatever. Okay. So it's that color this month, which Edith would say is their typical color probably, but
I would.
And then opening it up,
pretty.
It looks pretty like
It's
that.
like Mother's Day or Easter
I know,
or
me too.
spring or
We shall see.
Which is perfect. They're really good with their matching themes, so I'll give them
Can I
that.
just give you that?
Sure.
Do you want to check that out?
Let's see. It says rain in the spring glossies. Did you miss the flowers of sun? We don't miss the sun. We have a lot of sun in California, and the start of events for the upcoming seasons. We did too, and that's where our April glossy box comes in. Blossom. And it shows you like the stuff in there.
I feel like my shirt kind of matches
on
with
the back.
like everything in here.
So that's funny.
I'm like, so opening it up, it looks like that, minus the thing, the little booklet I gave her. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out, and the cap is popping off, is Collab Dry Shampoo, original fragrance, amazing oil absorption without white residue.
And it says it's normally $5.49. That's actually not that bad.
And then Avance Rose Papaya Vitamin B5 Proline or Proline a lot. I say that alanine papaya. I'm probably saying that terribly wrong. Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliant.
And it says it's regularly $114 for, I guess, a full size.
And I do have a lot of exfoliants, so maybe I'll put that in a giveaway just because I have so much. And it is hot in my house because I don't have the air on, even though I could. This is Be Your Incredible Self, ink.readable self with nails.ink. Blossom Kisses is the color.
Yeah, nails.ink, and then it's normally $11. That's a pretty color, though. I like it.
And if you look at some of our recent past videos, some days I have had nail polish on doing my nails and stuff. So, little Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb Nectar perfume.
Which is cool. We love their perfumes. The full size is $120. Deluxe Mini is $23.69.
And then, I don't know if these count as anything. Am I missing something here?
Well, that does count as one
or
thing.
wait, well, okay. So, inked by Donnie. Temporary tattoos, hand-drawn and cruelty-free. These are pretty.
It's funny. It says, okay, so this bonus item is my personal fave, and it's not because it's flowers. Temporary tattoos are a symbol of the beautiful yet fleeting moments that come during spring. With 21 designs, you can customize your arms, legs, or other places for a signature look that's all you for the moments that matter. And then it says, how long do you hold the damp cloth over the tattoo paper? About 60 seconds or more for maximum staying power. It's normally $12.99 for a set.
Yeah, those are pretty. I might actually wear
And
those.
she's only got one more item, or she should.
Yeah. And so the last item, as far as I know, is it serum? I hope that's how you say it. Serum, something. HCR 3-in-1 sheet mask. It feels really like full inside. I'm like,
I feel like that's one of those either or ones.
oh, it has it says it has vitamin C, which brightens, of course, and it has a lot hyaluronic acid and retinol. So hopefully I'll use that. Most of the masks I give away.
It shows on here, guys. I don't know if you can see. It shows like a ruby, like mask. So I think maybe that was like an either or thing, because this ruby sheet mask would be $7 worth, but I don't think that one matches the picture in here. So it might just be a different mask in a different box. I'm not sure.
Pretty good item. So
we are so warm for 95 degrees. But that was it for this video. If this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to stay tuned for our future giveaways, which we'll hopefully get back to doing after the COVID-19 situation is over with. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Stay safe, healthy, and take care.
Bye.